if you're experiencing a verification pending status on Join Me, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received a verification email from Join Me. Look in your inbox and spam folder for any messages that may require your attention. Step 2. Click the verification link. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Resend verification email. If you did not receive the email, go to the Join Me login page and look for the option to resend the verification email. Follow the prompts to have a new email sent to you. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause delays. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Join Me support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on Join Me. If you continue to face issues, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.